Okay, let's start demo here. So let's log in. So this is the first screen you see. So it requires your username or email address and the password you chose. I have a bypass login, so I'm gonna just go take a shortcut. All right, so this is kind of first screen you see. So this is a dashboard. And then I'm gonna go quickly explain on the left-hand side here. These are the menus. Because WordPress is web-based software, it tells you what need to be updated. So I got the two items need to be updated. So I think that's the theme, but the theme, this is not really I activated. So and also WordPress, the latest WordPress is available, so it tells you. So normally you should update, keep your website plugin and the theme file need to be updated because of the performance improvement. And then I think the biggest thing is the security issues too. So, and the post is if you're blogging, if you're a blog post, so this is about posted. So I don't have anything except this hello world. So if you want to add a new post, blogging or news, this is you're going to be using. Now the media is it's mostly image. Could be audio file, could be video too, but I don't recommend adding audio file or video. If you have video is really important to these days on the internet. So if you want to add a video on your home website, I will strongly suggest you the third-party streaming service such as YouTube and embed onto your website. Because if you upload your video files, the video files are so huge, and then you have to pay more and more for your server space, and your website is going to slow down. So just be careful. And the pages. So I don't have any pages except for my demo page. I played with it earlier. So I'm going to be using pages, keep adding more pages throughout this demo. And the comments, now the comments are especially for your blogging. If you have blogs page, a blog site, and then your audience can comment and you can carry a conversation too. And I get asked a lot that, yes, so whether you can monitor somebody's comment, because you get quite often you get the spam comment too, so you don't want to publish that comment. So you have control what to publish, what to not. So as you can see, you can move your comment to spam or just directly to trash. So if you want somebody's comment to be published, you just hit approved. And so these are Elementor plugin that I installed earlier. So I'm going to be explaining that throughout the demo. And appearance is the theme. Once again, we talked about earlier session, and I'm using hello theme, and this is default theme I'm not using. So if you want to change the theme, you can activate, and it's going to switch that, but you don't lose your content, so you don't have to worry about it. And you can customize your theme here. So once again, so this kind of detail I'm going to be talking about more throughout my course. And plugins, we talked about that, and I think I installed Elementor Pro. If you want to add more functionality, let's say if you want to add online donation or more like SEO tool, you can hit add and then keep adding your plugins. And the users. So here just me, but you can add more users. So this is what I like about WordPress, so that the bigger company or bigger organization can run this website. So the administration is not just you. You can hire somebody, you can hire a webmaster, even like volunteer too. And so let me just quickly show that to you. So I'm going to hit add new if you want to add a new user. So I'm going to just let's see, my name here, this is Osama number 2, and then once again, so I'm going to just autofill, and I'm going to use my personal email right here, and then so show password right there. And here the role is, you can see, so you can change different roles. So administrator is so you can do everything. So you got access to everything. You can install your the plugin and then change the theme, full control. Now, editor is you won't be able to change or install any themes or plugin, but you can add new pages, you can add a new post, you can edit. So so this is something good. So I usually give my client editor permission. Usually they hire me as admin to just manage their website. And then the author is one below. So the well, when you put the author, they cannot really add a page, edit page, but they can add post and edit post. And a contributor is they can contribute as a blog post, but they need permission, your permission to post it. So this is something good. Like if you hire somebody, some writer outside of your organization, and then they write some blog post for you on your behalf, but they can contribute, but they need your permission to post it. So and also like for nonprofit, you guys usually hire volunteers. Then you don't want to give them full control, so they can give them author or editor, and then once the volunteer time finish, you can just delete their user permission. So and just keep it safe, right? And tools, and you can import and you can export a website between WordPress when your website and then other website developed with WordPress. And then site health, I'm not gonna save this new user, so I'm gonna just leave. So this is cool. Just a give you quick overview of site health, and then the critical issues. Okay, so themes waiting to be updated. So let's take a look here. So manage your theme. So I think this is a theme. So even though I'm not really activated, it doesn't really matter, but I'm going to just click and hit update. And then so when you go back, the tool and the site health, it should be fixed. And then 5 recommended improvement, WordPress update available, 5.5. Let's 5.5.1. Okay. So this is always good practice. You gotta keep your WordPress core file updated because of the performance, and my concern is security, right? So it's same as your smartphone. You always keep updating your iOS or Android phone because of the performance and the functionality, and most importantly, security issues. So here we go. All right, so so you get some idea here, and then so when you see here you go. So when you see a PHP thing, you gotta contact your server, and then so anyway, that same thing like the HTTPS. So I'm running a demo site now, and then so as you can see on top here, not secure. So because I'm running a local machine, and this is not really public, so I don't really care about whether HTTP or HTTPS. So but when you go in the public or publish it, definitely you have to get the certificate. So and then some of the settings here. So here you can change a title, site title. Make sure you get the appropriate title, your company name, organization name. It matters for Google. So tagline, you don't have to have it, but if you have some tagline for your company, organization, you should have that. So these are, I can probably skip that, and just date format, time format, so you can pick whichever you want. So I'm going to go through the kind of settings, the details along this course. So I'm gonna just skip this for the time being. So that was a quick overview of WordPress dashboard, and then so I'm gonna let's move on. Then let's move on to actual demo. So let's go create a new page.